Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here. Walter with the Calipers. So, this is my old faithful analog. Measures in fractions, not decimals, not millimeters, although there is a millimeter gauge line. I like this because it measures in fractions. If I want something that's 3/4 of an inch, there we are. It has to be there, 3/4 of an inch. So, to jump on the digital bandwagon, I purchased this one years ago. And sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't. And sometimes it's accurate. So here it's reading 35/128, which is just a smidgen under 9/32. This one here measures just a smidgen under 9/32. Now, I mean, how accurate do we have to be, right? It is woodworking after all. So, do I consider this one junk because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't? Do I continue to try and use it? Or do I toss it? It was not expensive. I bought it years ago. Once the battery goes out, you got nothing. So there is a bit of an indicator on the bar. You can see millimeters and inches. But that little black line in the front is not very accurate. It gets you close enough, I suppose, but I can read this a lot better. If I want an inch, I can either measure it with this line here or the dial. So if I want an inch, there's an inch, both places. Let me know what you think. Stay with the digital, toss it in the trash, give it away. What do I do? I'm not sold on it. If you want it, let me know. I'll gladly box it, pack it up, and send it to you. Pay the postage. That's about it for today. Analog, digital. Better, worse, better, worse. Be interested to know your comments. Walter out.